Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X9 and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to remove the screen lock. So, as you can see, there is a screen lock. And to begin, we're just gonna power off the device. So hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, we'll hold the power key and volume up together. Yeah, so now that it's off, power key, volume up. And once you see the Neffos logo, we can let go. And from here, we will use volume up and down to navigate, as you can see, like so. Touch doesn't work here, so you will need to use them. And with that, select wipe data factory reset and confirm it with the power key. And once more, select yes. And at the bottom, you will see data wipe complete. And back in the main page of recovery mode, reboot system now should be selected by default, so just press power key and wait for the phone to reboot. Now, it will take a little bit longer to turn on, so just be patient. The process is basically being continued in the background. And once it's finished, we will see the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. So as you can see now, the process is finished and let's set up the device. I'm gonna be skipping most of it just to make this quick. And as you can see, now we're in a home screen and there is no more lock anymore, and you're free to use the device as you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.